In this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram Reels from PC and laptop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you're going to do basically, head over to your Instagram, right? You click on this reel, click on this create. Once I've clicked on the create, you're going to click on the post, right? Come on here and select a reel from my PC, right? So you need to keep your reel ready. Click on the open. Just watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to change it to this original, right? Click on the next, then you can turn off the sound, you can do some trimming, right? Or you can select take over photo for this. So once you're done, you're gonna click on the next, right? Then the next tab, you can come on here and fill in the details you want. I can just click nice right here. Once I'm done, I'm gonna click on this share, right? I wait for my post or for my reel to be uploaded. Give it just a few seconds, right? So you can see our reel has been shared. Now you're gonna click on this, right? Once I've clicked on it, you can see your post was shared. So I'm gonna head over to our profile right now and check if it was uploaded as a reel, right? So I'm gonna refresh my profile, my Instagram profile. Once I've refreshed it, you're gonna see what I mean, right? So if I click on the reel right now, you'll see that this post has just been uploaded right here as a reel from my PC. So this is basically how you can upload or how you can post Instagram reels from PC and laptop. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.